Ever wondered how ChatGPT understands and responds like a human? In this video, we'll explore how this AI works and why it's changing the world. What is ChatGPT? 1. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an AI language model that generates human-like responses. 2. Uses deep learning techniques called transformers to predict and generate text. 3. Trained on massive amounts of internet data but doesn't think like a human. How does ChatGPT work? 1. Neural network and deep learning. It processes text using a type of AI model called GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. 2. Tokenization. ChatGPT breaks sentences into small parts, tokens, and predicts the next word based on patterns. 3. Training data. It has learned from a diverse range of text, books, articles, websites, to generate meaningful responses. 4. Reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF. OpenAI fine-tuned the model with real human feedback to make responses more relevant. Why is ChatGPT so powerful? 1. Context awareness. Unlike simple chatbots, it understands the conversation flow and provides relevant answers. 2. Multitasking abilities. Can be used for writing, coding, brainstorming, summarizing, and even tutoring. 3. Customization. Users can tweak responses with better prompts, prompt engineering. 4. Available in different versions, free GPT 3.5 versus paid GPT 4 with improved accuracy and response depth. Where is ChatGPT used? 1. Businesses, automating customer support, generating reports. 2. Education, assisting students with learning. 3. Content creation, blog writing, video scripting, and ideation. 4. Coding, debugging and generating code snippets. Closing thoughts and call to action. This is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll explore how to write better prompts to get the best responses from ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights. Next video in the series, Mastering Prompt Engineering, how to get the best answers from ChatGPT.